गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल द बेस्ट ऑडियबल बुक्स जो कि आपकी लाइफ चेंज कर दे। दिस इज शिल्पी एंड दिस इज द थर्ड चैप्टर ऑफ द बुक लव योरसेल्फ लाइक योर लाइफ डिपेंड्स ऑन इट बाय कमल रविकांत सर. As in chapter 1st and 2nd you have looked at this book that Kamal sir has shared with us the lesson of his experience to share your truth. So let's begin. After practicing what we have to do to love ourselves, here is beautiful irony. Fall in love with yourself. Let your love express itself and the world will beat a path to your door to fall in love with you. In another meditation which I have told you, beside that here is another meditation which we have to try. In that step 1, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then stand in front of the mirror, nose a few inches away, relax and breathe. Then looks into your eyes. It helps you if you focus on your left eye. Don't panic. It's only you. Relax, breathe slowly, naturally until you develop a rhyme. Then, looking into your left eye, say, I love myself. Whether you believe it that moment or not isn't important. What's important is you saying it to yourself. Looking into your eyes where there is no escape from the truth, and ultimately the truth is loving yourself. Repeat, I love myself, gently pausing occasionally to watch your eyes. When the 5 minutes are up, smile. You have just communicated the truth to yourself in a deep way. In a way the mind cannot escape. If anyone ever looked in your eyes knowing that you loved them, this is what they saw. Give yourself the same gift. When life goes well for a while, it's easy to believe it will stay that way. And when you believe that, you become complacent. Your practice becomes something you assume rather than something you work on. You stop truly loving yourself. Kamal calls this costing. If you begin to cost, ask yourself, if I loved myself truly and deeply, what would I do? The goal, if there is one, is to practice until the thought you choose becomes the primary loop, until it becomes the filter through which you view life. Real growth comes through intense, difficult and challenging situations. What we believe, that's what we seek. It's the filter we view our lives through. So this all the summary which I have shared to all of you. I hope it will definitely help you all. So thanks for listen this, and please like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends, it will really motivate me. So thanks for watching.